video, I want to show you how to create brand feedback survey. First, you need to click extension, Coffee Forms, and then load form template like this. And here you can search brand feedback survey. After you found it, just click load selected template. And now you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. Just refresh the page like this, and then click Coffee Form and get link. After that, you can click continue and then go to your account, and just click advance and go to Coffee Form. And now just click allow here. And just wait for it. You will get a link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine like this. And now the form is ready to use. You can also custom the questions or anything in the form, like for example here, go to question type. I want to insert a new row, and for example I use text and copy the question text. Here I change it into name for example, and go to your form, and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change the question type into date, and don't forget to change the question text too, and it will change like this, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore like this, so it will disappear instantly. Also, you can change the appearance, like for example change the background color of your form, pick any color that you want and it will change. Or maybe I want to give an example to give a style for the title. Here I use mark behavior. Like if you want to do it, just follow the code. Like scroll down, I use 25 here, or you can pick your number. And don't forget to close the code /mark here and go to your form. Now the title is moving. Thank you.